ولا تطيعوا أمر المسرفين.
And do not follow the biddings of those that go to excesses.
الذين يفسدون في الأرض ولا يصلحون.
And spread mischief in the land rather than set things right.
قالوا إنما أنت من المسحرين.
They replied, "You are nothing but one of those who are bewitched.
ما أنت إلا بشر مثلنا فأت بآية إن كنت من الصادقين.
You are no different from a mortal like us. So produce a sign if you are truthful."
قال هذه ناقة لها شرب ولكم شرب يوم معلوم.
Saleh said, "This is a she-camel. There's a day set for her to drink, and there's a day set for you to drink.
ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب يوم عظيم.
Do not molest her, lest the chastisement of an awesome day should seize you."
فعقروها فأصبحوا نادمين.
But they hamstrung her and then regretted it.
فأخذهم العذاب إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
So the chastisement seized them. Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الرَّحِيمُ.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
كَذَّبَتْ قَوْمُ لُوطٍ الْمُرْسَلِينَ.
The people of Lot rejected the messengers, branding them liars.
إِذْ قَالَ لَهُمْ أَخُوهُمْ لُوطٌ أَلَا تَتَّقُونَ.
Recall when their brother Lot said to them, "Have you no fear?
إِنِّي لَكُمْ رَسُولٌ أَمِينٌ.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَأَطِيعُونِ.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وَمَا أَسْأَلُكُمْ عَلَيْهِ مِنْ أَجْرٍ إِنْ أَجْرِيَ إِلَّا عَلَى رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.
I seek of you no reward. My reward is with none but the Lord of the universe.
أَتَأْتُونَ الذُّكْرَانَ مِنَ الْعَالَمِينَ.
What? Of all creation will you go to fornicate with the males?
وَتَذَرُونَ مَا خَلَقَ لَكُمْ رَبُّكُمْ مِنْ أَزْوَاجِكُمْ بَلْ أَنْتُمْ قَوْمٌ عَادُونَ.
Leaving aside those whom Allah has created for you as your mates? Nay, you are a people that has transgressed all limits.
قالوا لئن لم تنته يا لوط لتكونن من المخرجين.
They said, "O Lot, if you do not desist, you will be one of those expelled from our towns."
قال إني لعملكم من القالين.
He said, "I am one of those who abhor your practice.
رب نجني وأهلي مما يعملون.
My Lord, deliver me and my family from their wicked deeds."
فنجيناه وأهله أجمعين.
Then we delivered him and all his family,
إلا عجوزا في الغابرين.
except an old woman who was among those that stayed behind.
ثم دمرنا الآخرين.
Thereafter, we utterly destroyed the rest.
وأمطرنا عليهم مطرا فساء مطر المنذرين.
And we sent upon them a rain, an evil rain, that fell on those who had been warned.
إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
كذب أصحاب الأيكة المرسلين.
The people of Aika also gave the lie to the messengers.
إذ قال لهم شعيب ألا تتقون.
Recall when Shu'aib said to them, "Have you no fear?
إني لكم رسول أمين.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وما أسألكم عليه من أجر إن أجري إلا على رب العالمين.
I ask of you no reward for this. My reward is with none but the Lord of the universe.
أوفوا الكيل ولا تكونوا من المخسرين.
Fill up the measure and do not diminish the goods of people.
وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم.
Weigh with an even balance.
ولا تبخسوا الناس أشياءهم ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
And do not deliver short, and do not go about creating mischief in the land.
واتقوا الذي خلقكم والجبلة الأولين.
And have fear of him who created you and the earlier generations.
قالوا إنما أنت من المسحرين.
They said, "You are no more than one of those who have been bewitched.
وما أنت إلا بشر مثلنا وإن نظنك لمن الكاذبين.
You are only a mortal like us. Indeed, we believe that you are an utter liar.
فأسقط علينا كسفا من السماء إن كنت من الصادقين.
So cause a piece of the sky to fall upon us if you are truthful."
قال ربي أعلم بما تعملون.
Shu'aib said, "My Lord knows well all what you do."
فكذبوه فأخذهم عذاب يوم الظلة إنه كان عذاب يوم عظيم.
Then they branded him a liar, whereupon the chastisement of the day of canopy overtook them. It was the chastisement of a very awesome day.
إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
وإنه لتنزيل رب العالمين.
Indeed, this is a revelation from the Lord of the universe.
نزل به الروح الأمين.
which the truthful spirit has carried down
على قلبك لتكون من المنذرين
to your heart, that you might become one of those who warn others on behalf of Allah.
بلسان عربي مبين
A revelation in clear Arabic language.
وإنه لفي زبر الأولين
A revelation embodied in the scriptures of the ancients.
أولم يكن لهم آية أن يعلمه علماء بني إسرائيل
Is it not a sign to them, to wit the Meccans, that the learned men of the children of Israel know that?
ولو نزلناه على بعض الأعجمين
But such is their adamance that had we revealed it to one of the non-Arabs, and even if we had recited this clear Arabic discourse to them,
فقرأه عليهم ما كانوا به مؤمنين
they would still not have believed in it.
كذلك سلكناه في قلوب المجرمين
Thus have we caused this admonition to penetrate the hearts of the culprits like a hot rod.
لا يؤمنون به حتى يروا العذاب الأليم
They will not believe in it until they clearly see the grievous chastisement.
فيأتيهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون
But when it comes upon them suddenly, taking them unawares,
فيقولوا هل نحن منظرون
they say, can we be granted some respite?
أفبعذابنا يستعجلون
Do they really want our chastisement to be expedited?
أفرأيت إن متعناهم سنين
Did you consider that if we were to let them enjoy life for many years,
ثم جاءهم ما كانوا يوعدون
and then the chastisement of which they were being warned were to come upon them,
ما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يمتعون
of what avail will be the provisions of life which they have been granted to enjoy?
وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا لها منذرون
We never destroyed any habitation, but that it had warners.
ذكرى وما كنا ظالمين
To admonish them, we have never been unjust.
وما تنزلت به الشياطين
The Satans did not bring down this clear book,
وما ينبغي لهم وما يستطيعون
nor does it behove them, nor does it lie in their power.
إنهم عن السمع لمعزولون
Indeed, they are debarred from even hearing it.
فلا تدع مع الله إلها آخر فتكون من المعذبين
So do not call any other God beside Allah, lest you become of those who will be punished.
وأنذر عشيرتك الأقربين
And warn your nearest kinsmen,
واخفض جناحك لمن اتبعك من المؤمنين
and be meek to the believers who follow you.
فإن عصوك فقل إني بريء مما تعملون
Then if they disobey you, say to them, I am quit of what you do.
وتوكل على العزيز الرحيم
and put your trust in Him who is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
الذي يراك حين تقوم
Who observes you when you rise to pray,
وتقلبك في الساجدين
and observes your movements among those who prostrate themselves.
إنه هو السميع العليم
He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
هل أنبئكم على من تنزل الشياطين
O people, shall I tell you on whom it is that Satans descend?
تنزل على كل أفاك أثيم
They descend on every forgerer steeped in sin.
يلقون السمع وأكثرهم كاذبون
On those who whisper hearsay in the ears of people, and most of them are liars.
والشعراء يتبعهم الغاوون
As for poets, only the wayward follow them.
ألم تر أنهم في كل واد يهيمون
Do you not see that they wander about in every valley,
وأنهم يقولون ما لا يفعلون
and say things which they do not act upon?
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وذكروا الله كثيرا وانتصروا من بعد ما ظلموا وسيعلم الذين ظلموا أي منقلب ينقلبون
Except those who believed and acted righteously and remembered Allah much, and when they themselves were subjected to wrong, they exacted retribution no more than to the extent of the wrong. Soon will the wrongdoers know the end that they shall reach.